So what's the real magic that fuels your app in Base44? You guessed it, it's all about credits. Think of them as the currency for every single AI interaction. We're going to cover the 2 different types you really need to know, show you exactly how to track them, and uncover some awesome strategies to make every single credit count.
Okay, so at its heart, what is a credit? Simply put, it's the unit Base44 uses anytime you talk to the AI or connect your app to an outside service. So every time the platform generates something, processes a request, or connects for you, yep, that's spending credits.
Base44 cleverly separates the credits you use for building your app from the ones your app uses when it's out there in the wild, doing its thing. Here's the breakdown, and it's super important. On one side, you've got message credits. These are your developer credits, right? You spend these in the editor when you're chatting with the AI to build features or squash bugs. Then on the other side, you've got integration credits. These get used when your live app does something, like using a built-in integration to send an email or maybe generate an image for a user. So just remember, one's for building, the other's for running. Simple as that. Okay, so now we know about the 2 types, but how are they actually spent? What do things cost? Understanding this is absolutely the key to using them efficiently and really making your credits go the distance. If you take a look at this table, you can see how it works. Just chatting with the AI in discuss mode costs very little, less than half a credit. But asking the AI to actually apply a change costs a full message credit. And on the integration side, a standard task is 1 credit, while a more complex AI agent task is 3. So the real takeaway here is picking the right tool for the job to make the most of what you have. So how can you make every single credit count and build way more efficiently? First, get used to using discuss mode for all your brainstorming. It's super cheap and really effective. Then, once you're totally ready to build, once you know exactly what you want to tell the AI, just click that button to turn discuss mode off. Then, you give Base44 the command to go ahead and implement the changes. It's all about planning first and then building. It'll make a huge difference. Second, make those simple visual tweaks yourself, manually. I promise, these 2 habits alone will dramatically lower how many credits you use.
So as you're building and your app is running, you'll definitely want to know how to check your balance. Let me show you exactly where to find it.
Head up to the top right of your workspace and click on your profile icon. From that drop-down menu that just appeared, you're going to go ahead and select Settings. And for the final step, just click on Workspace. Right there, you can see your complete credit breakdown for the current billing cycle, what you've used and what you've got left. But hey, here's a fantastic pro tip for when you're deep in the zone. Instead of going through all those menus, just click the Base44 logo in the top left corner of the editor. Your credit balance will pop right up, instantly. That way, you never have to break your flow. Here are a few other points you need to know about credits. First up, when exactly do you get your fresh batch of credits? So here's the deal. If you're on the free plan, you get a refresh every single day. For those on paid plans, it's a monthly reset that lines up with your subscription date. But here's the most important thing for everyone to remember. Credits don't roll over. It's a use 'em or lose 'em situation. Okay, but what if you're not building alone? How do credits work when you've got a team on board? It's actually pretty simple. When it comes to messaging the AI, each team member just uses their own personal credits. But, and this is a big one, for integration credits, for things like API calls, those all get pulled from the app owner's account. It's really important to keep that in mind when you're managing a team project. But hey, what happens when you're so close to finishing a feature, but you just run out? Well, there's actually a way to get a few more for free. That's right, you can snag a quick 20 credits just by sharing the project you're working on. You just need a LinkedIn or X account with over 100 followers. And getting them is super easy. Just hit Win Free Credits, share your post, copy that link, and then pop it into a support ticket. It's a really simple way to get that little extra boost you need. But remember, this is a one-time deal for each account, so make it a good one. And finally, let me just leave you with a few pro tips. These are just good habits to get into. Plan your builds before you start prompting. Keep your prompts focused and really clear. Try to avoid repeated automatic AI fixes. And build in small steps. Add a feature, test it, and then move on. It saves so many headaches and credits. And that's pretty much it. By understanding the difference between message and integration credits, knowing exactly where to check your balance, and using those smart strategies like discuss mode and manual edits, you can manage your resources like an absolute pro and build amazing apps way more efficiently. For more info, tips, guidance, FAQs, and troubleshooting, check out the Base44 docs and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.